Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? A very good morning to all of you. Dear students, as you know that we have read our chapter number 8, that is clothes, and we have completed that. And I hope so that you have read your chapter at least 2 or 3 times. Yes, very nice. So today we will do an activity because again and again we don't want to do study. It's looking like, oh my god, ma'am, again and again ma'am is giving homework, we are doing in the notebooks or we are watching videos. So it's really hectic to you, and I know very well that every day you don't want to study. So keeping in mind your point also, today we are going to do an activity, and it's not very tough for you. It is very easy, and I hope so that you will enjoy that. Okay, so first of all we will take one A4 side sheet, and that we will write date. As I have written here, you will write date, chapter name. The name of the chapter is clothes. Okay, and then we will divide this sheet into 3 equal parts. 1 2 3. First we will write summer, winter and rainy. As I told you that we wear clothes according to seasons. Like summer seasons we like to wear cotton cloths, in winter we like to wear woolen cloths, and in rainy season we use different things. Okay, yes. So if I have written these different columns, now how I will show that it is summer season, this is winter season. So of course in summer season we feel very hot, and it is because of sun. So we will draw sun. Here I have drawn a snowman, and here in rainy season definitely we see rain. So here I have drawn rain and cloud. After drawing this you have to color also. Okay. Then what we have to we have to draw any type of cloth for summer season that we wear in summer. Here I have drawn a frock, or here it is vest. So it's your choice that you want to draw, so you can draw. But if you want to paste, you can paste also. You can take pictures from your old books or from newspapers or from magazines. Okay, our purpose is just to give you information. Okay, so we don't want that you will go out from your home. So for summer season we can draw these things. Next we will come to winter season. Okay, now you will draw winter dresses or you will paste. Next we come to winter season. In winter season what type of cloths we wear? We wear cap, gloves and even woolen socks also. So you will draw or you can paste pictures also. Okay, good. Next is rainy season. In rainy season we like to take umbrella and we like to wear gumboots. These are made up of plastic so that we will not get wet. Is that clear to you all? Yes. So like this you all will make a small chart on the topic of clothes, and then you will show different clothes according to season: summer, winter and rainy season. It's not necessary the things or the clothes that I have drawn, you will also draw the same. It's your choice, it's your wish. Whatever you want to draw or whatever you want to paste, you can do this. Okay, yes, good. Dear students, you can see here are some clothes. Are they in proper situation? No, na? How they are looking? They all are looking very bad, because we should not keep our clothes like this. So, as we are doing our chapter clothes, so what we have to do? Today I will tell you that how you can fold your clothes in a nice way. Okay, so get ready. You have, nowadays you are wearing your small t-shirts. Okay, yes, very nice. So now I will tell you how you can fold your clothes. See, first of all, you have to keep your t-shirt in this way. Then you have to fold it like this. Then we will fold it from the other side also. Done. Then we have to fold it like this. Just see now how your t-shirt it is looking. Is it looking nice? Yes. And you have clothes, your younger brother, your younger sister also. You can keep the clothes of them in a nice way also. As I have a small t-shirt of a baby, so we can fold it this also. So again we will fold it from one side, other side, fold it into half. Okay, see now how is it looking? Earlier they were looking like this. No, they were not looking like this, na? Yes. So why I have told you about this? Because dear students, now you are grown up, and even small things you can do, and you can help your parents also. So if you will fold your clothes, if you will keep your clothes in a nice way, in this way, so what will happen? Your parents will be more happy, because they know that you are studying also, but even you are learning household work also. Even these small things so you can do yourself. Is it possible? Definitely it is possible. And I promise that I will learn you something more and something interesting with new videos also. And I'm sure that you will do this also. Okay? Yes, I'm very happy that you all are learning new things. Okay? Yes. So dear students, I request you all that help your parents in these small things, and complete your activity on a sheet, and then send the pictures of that activity with you. Means your photo should be there with your activity, and send that in school WhatsApp number. Till then, take care and goodbye.